The fastest way to get your first wholesaling real estate deal with zero marketing cost at all. What is up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I want to show you exactly how to get your first wholesaling real estate deal without spending any money at all. Now, I have taught more than 100,000 people how to go out here and get started wholesaling real estate. My free real estate wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com, has over 250,000 plus active real estate wholesaling students, and the majority of them getting started, just like me, were completely broke trying to find deals. And the truth is, most real estate wholesaling gurus are going to tell you it's going to cost you $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month to even get a start in this business, when the honest truth is you don't need any money or capital to get started wholesaling real estate. What I want to do today is really share with you the 5 most proven ways to get your first deal with no money at all, and the simple, easy strategies people do right now this month to get deals with no money. Even the richest people like me who make millions of dollars wholesaling, we still use these strategies. Now, you're gonna have to excuse me for my absolute terrible handwriting, but let's try to show you exactly what I mean here. The first way, and probably the easiest way to get your first wholesaling real estate deal, are going to be Zillow for sale by owners. That's right, all you have to do is go into Zillow, go to the for sale section, filter all the way to the right, and make sure it's owner posted. And what you want to do here is basically just offer 70% off the list price and make that your MAO. What I mean by this is, if the deal is listed for $100,000, your minimum that you can get it for to make any money at all is going to be 70% of that, which is going to be basically $70,000. That means I need to offer below $70,000 to get some profit or to make some money on the deal. Now you might say, well, actually it's listed for 100 grand and I think it's worth 125. No, the market has already determined that this thing's been sitting 50 days on Zillow. There is nobody giving any activity to that person for that list price. The free market has already spoken to this type of seller. What we have to understand here is, because it's a Zillow for sale by owner, 70% off the list price is the MAO. That is the max we can offer to that seller. No ifs, ands, or buts, this is my rule. I am not going to change this rule at all. Even if the deal is $1 million, it has to be 70%. The truth is, most cash buyers kind of are mentally stuck, because if you offer them 80% off the list price, you lock it up for $80,000, they're going to think, you know what? I could have probably done this myself. And I see this all the time with cash buyers. At 70%, they're willing to buy it for 75, 80%, and you make some profit in between that. That is how you make your money on Zillow for sale by owners. Now, my other rule here, which is really important, you do not want to be dealing with Zillow for sale by owners that just got posted. These people are what millennials call delusional, crazy, mentally insane. And they think that their house, which is extremely overpriced, is worth their stupid price. The truth is, of course, it's not worth that price. But the issue is, they haven't felt the pain. They haven't felt the actual market tell them that no, it's not worth it. And what does that mean? So if the property, let's say, is worth $100,000, right? We don't want to get 70% off that for $70,000. You might have a seller that just listed the property for $150,000. Legit crazy, right? The problem is, no one has proven them wrong. Some realtors in their head told them it's worth 200 grand. They think it's worth that. The only way you're going to get them off their stupid price is let them have 100 days of pain. Have them deal 100 days of nobody offering them their stupid price, then cutting it 2 or 3 times, and they're about to hit another price cut. Then you hit them once they're motivated, aka a motivated seller. So again, it turns into a great wholesaling real estate deal. This is how you make a ton of money in this business. You want them to be motivated and you want to get a good price. What I have found with both of these criteria, that once they're over 100 days old, they are way more likely to take 70% off than if it's not 100 days old. So my 2 rules here with Zillow for sale by owners, they need to be 70% off the list price, no questions asked. That is my rule. And they have to be listed for at least 100 days on the market. Now, you're going to have this issue where, yeah, there's some of those properties out there, but in your market, maybe there's 20 or 30 of them, and that's it. There's not 1,000 of these type of leads. And that's the problem. Like, there's only 30 or 40s in your market right now, which means you can get through it in probably a day. Now, I'm not saying it's bad. They're a great way to find deals, but that's really only a day's worth of marketing. We need other ways to find deals with no money at all. Number 2, digital bandit signs. This is an amazing way to find deals that nobody talks about. I know wholesaling gurus that charge $4,000 for digital bandit signs, but they're not specifically them. They got their own thing for them. But this is an amazing way to find real estate wholesaling deals with no money at all. What this basically is you are going to be posting Bandit Signs digitally on Facebook groups and Craigslist. So the best way you can do it is if you live in New Orleans, Louisiana, I'm going to go to the New Orleans Locals Facebook group, right? You're going to find their locals group, right? Sometimes it's New Orleans Moms Facebook group, the New Orleans Fishing Community. I mean, look at New Orleans and look up all the parishes and neighborhoods that have Facebook groups. They're all going to have 50, 60,000 people in them. What you're going to do is just make posts in there, kind of like Bandit Signs, right? There's traffic being done on this Facebook group, so tens of thousands of people. And what you're going to do is post Bandit Signs digitally right there. You are then going to go to a website like ChatGPT or Gemini AI, which is Google's AI. This is all free, by the way. And you're going to put in a script or a prompt. What you're going to do is something like make a post in the New Orleans bass fishing Facebook group about how much I love bass fishing and how if you love bass fishing and you have a home you're looking to sell, me and my partner who loves bass fishing are looking to buy 2 or 3 more houses in the area for cash. Make it pop out a script, copy it, paste it. It works really well. One thing I'll tell you is like, if you like bass fishing and you live in New Orleans, take a picture of you catching a bass and then put that in there, the script, and you're going to get a lot of good engagement and you're going to get inbound motivated seller leads. This works also with Craigslist. It's a lot more work you have to do with it, but obviously sometimes you get flagged. You can put emojis, not emojis. You got to do a lot of testing in Craigslist. But what I'm going to tell you here is post at least 2 of these a day. That is my bare minimum. That is my rule. Post 2 Craigslist ads and 2 Facebook group posts every day for 365 days. I promise you, you're going to get absolutely free inbound seller leads. Now you might be asking yourself, Zach, how do I get these phone numbers? You go to a website like googlevoice.com and get a free inbound phone number, and you're pretty much good to go. Digital Bandit Signs are an absolute hack for finding great wholesaling deals. Now, number 3 here, but it is one of the best ways to get deals with no money at all. And frankly, if you have no money, there's not much room to complain. Next here, I recommend everybody to also text blast these sellers. Google Voice, you can send thousands of SMS text blasts every single day for free if you use the right criteria and you send a certain amount of text every single hour. And if you're able to use ChatGPT to individually write every script. Now you might be like, Zach, how do I do this? How do I know what script to write? How do I know how many to send an hour? And how do I know exactly what to respond to these people? Guess what? The free course, freewholesaling.com. It's day 14 of the 30-day wholesaling challenge inside the course where I break down everything about how to SMS text blast for free. I also have me live texting people inside the course. And then also for government lists, which I absolutely love. Now, you might not have money for this, so this is a bonus, but this is going to be what we call sticky notes or reverse driving for dollars. This is where we go out here and we put sticky notes on those houses. If I have 100 code violations, I'm going to put a sticky note on every code violation house that I have and drive around and put it there. Maybe I get a tank of gas. Maybe it doesn't cost any money. You want the sticky note to say something like, hey, this is Zach. I had a quick question about your property. Please give me a call back. I absolutely love reverse driving for dollars. One of the best ways to get a ton of deals in wholesaling real estate. Now, number 4 here, and one of the best ways to find wholesaling deals with no money at all to make money is joint venturing, or what we call JV deals. Now, you can just kind of bypass the entire getting your first deal process by going out here and just finding cash buyers. So you can go to Zillow for the for rent section and find landlords like that. You can go call the cash sales using like dmzac.com. Heck, you can go out here and go to Facebook groups and find a ton of cash buyers. Maybe that's your jam. You don't really have to do much talking for that, right? And you get a good list of cash buyers and you don't want to market. You don't want to cold call, anything like that. This is great. Just find other wholesalers that lock up deals that can't sell their deal, JV, split it 50-50, and close the deal. One of my favorite ways to find other wholesalers who have deals locked up that need help with dispo, if you have good buyers, are on my YouTube live stream. So you're already on the channel, just make sure you're subscribed. I have very active live stream people in there and they're actively trying to get more deals done and make money. So one of my favorite ways, if you have no money at all, to go out here and find other like-minded wholesalers. On top of that too, I have a Discord. It's called zachdiscord.com. This is a free Discord. Of course, it costs $0. I'm not gonna be that guy charging you for a Discord. It is completely free. What you have are thousands and thousands and thousands of active wholesalers, all in a group chat, all in the post my deals, looking for JV partners, all these different channels and voice channels and connecting and DMing. It's a really, really cool community. If you've never heard of Discord before, Sign up with your Google account. It's absolutely free. It's called ZachDiscord.com. All you got to do is go to ZachDiscord.com and you can join thousands of other for free in a community. It's like a private group chat. I'm in there too all the time. Zach Ginn also. So go there. You can find other wholesalers to JV with. It's absolutely amazing to do. Then lastly, my Facebook group. It's called Wholesaling Houses for Real. I kind of put that in parentheses, but it's called Wholesaling Houses for Real because I wholesale houses for real. Join that Facebook group. We are almost at 150,000 people in that Facebook group. It is the largest wholesaling real estate Facebook group in the world, which I'm happy and proud to announce today. And it's pretty exciting. And so it's called Wholesaling Houses for Real. And you got 150,000 plus people in there you can hang out, network, and JV with. Now, you can do on-market wholesaling. You can find a creative finance deal and wholesale that. Heck, you can knock on doors with no money at all. But really what I want to do today is kind of keep it to 4 simple basic things of how to get your first deal with no money at all. I'm not really big on the MLS wholesaling thing. I'm not big on door knocking. I'm not big on dropping voicemails if you have just a Google Voice dialer. Really, it's 4 simple ways for you to get your first wholesaling real estate deal with no money at all. What I highly recommend is you go to freewholesaling.com and start your education journey of how to get started in this business, and then go out here and start taking action. What I recommend is you try every single thing on this, starting from 1 all the way to 4, and put at least 20, 30 hours into each type of strategy before you go and complain to me that wholesaling doesn't work. I promise you, if you put 100 hours in this business, you are going to find leads and you're going to have the opportunity to find wholesaling deals that will change your life, make $20,000, $30,000 this month, and become a rich and successful wholesaler. If you're ready to go and do it, just go to my free real estate wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com. Check out ZachDiscord.com. And like always, smash that like button, subscribe. Guys, if you got any value, I'll see you in the free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com. Thanks, guys. Have a blessed one.